We see people living on the roadside. Some are orphans, some have been left behind by their own families. Every day they fight just to survive. That's when we asked ourselves, why can't we give them a new start? This thought gave birth to a new initiative, Gift a Life. Through this initiative, Thaagam Foundation reaches out to those who've lost hope. We bring them to our own shelter, provide them with basic needs, take care of their health, and most importantly, bring back the smile on their face. That smile is our first victory. But we don't stop there. We help them rebuild through care, love, and a healthy environment. We make sure they live with dignity, safety, and happiness. At Thaagam Foundation, it's not just help, it's a restart to someone's life. Because a small act of love can truly change a soul. Your small contribution can help someone begin again. Thaagam Foundation, gift a life, restart a soul.